So now let's write the function to run this code. So we will create a function, and in this function, the first statement, when the code will run, the bot will flash one message, and then the conversation will begin. So the bot will give some information about it, like, hi, I am chatbot. You can chat with me. What is your name? So this is the first thing the user will see when he opens up the conversation, when he opens the chat. Hi, I'm chatbot. You can chat with me. What is your name? And then we have to call this chat and reflections, pairs and reflections. So we will call the class which is chat, and in this chat there are pairs and reflections. And then with the help of this converse function, the user can start conversation with the chatbot, and finally we will use the main function. If name is equal to we will call the function, which is from the main function, we will call this function, and this function will trigger the chat class and it will start the conversation. Okay, so this is what we have done till now. So we just have created one greeting intent in which contains all the greeting questions and response, and we have created one functions which will trigger this conversation. Now let's see. So this is the parenthesis for the pairs. So this is the main parenthesis, pairs, and in that parenthesis these are the different set of list which contains the question and answers, and this is the closing parenthesis for pairs list. Let's run this code and see how it looks. Invalid syntax because colon is missing. I chat with people. I like to talk. For now, just keep one response. It should be comma, not or. I like to talk. I am fine. String indicate must be integers. Okay, I am fine. String indices must be integers. Great, alright. Comma is missing. Again, it's showing some error. String indices must be integers. Yes, we forgot to write comma here. And then finally, it is successful. So what we'll do is we will restart and we will again run this because I want to show you the clean output. So we will restart and clear the output. And for now, I'm commenting this line because I don't want to see the reflections. I just want to check the output of my code. So run this. It will take few seconds. Yes. So this is the output which we got. Hi, I am chatbot. You can chat with me. What is your name? So I'll write I am John. So I got no response because see, I have made a mistake. A am is missing. So see, this is a simple chatbot. So you have to write properly. See, I am John. How are you, John? So which response is triggered? So this is the response which is triggered. I wrote I am John and how are you, John? This response is triggered. So you can chat with your bot. Like for example, if I write how are you? I'm fine. What do you do? I chat with people. So we will try more such queries like, for example, if I write I am fine. I am fine. How are you fine? It is showing how are you fine. See, because what I have written is I am as the sentence which I have created and I have added this thing. So whatever you write here, it will show like how are you fine. Okay. So these are the small things, but this thing matters. So you have to tune your model accordingly. So this is the basic chatbot. So I'm not going to show you how to tune it and all because that will be in the advanced part. Now let's try some more. I am doing good. How are you doing good? See what we got. Again, this is triggered. Now instead of writing star, let's try plus. I just want to see if there is some changes or not. So we will restart this and we will run this code. How are you, John Carter? Again, it's taking the multiple strings with the help of this plus sign. Okay. So similarly, you can try different phrases like, now I'll try this. Hi, what's up? Hi, hello. Hello. Hey there. So in this way, you can chat with your bot. Now we will add more such intents to this bot. Now we will make it more sophisticated. For example, we will add some negative feedback and reactions to it. In case if the user writes reactions, so we will just copy paste this syntax. We will paste it here and what we'll do is we will add some syntax to it. For example, if someone writes sorry and if there are certain phrases or certain words which are preceding sorry or following sorry, then we can cover up that with the help of dot and star. Sorry, if someone writes some sentence and in that sentence if there is sorry, then our bot will respond, it's okay. Okay. So if you want to add star dot star thing, you can add it on both the side of the words so that you get a good range of the sentence covered. And we will also add some reactions like, for example, if the user write wow, or if the user write great, or if the user writes wonderful, or if the user writes superb. So for such reactions, your bot will respond. Thank you. So only difference is whenever you are writing multiple queries or multiple patterns, then you have to separate that with the help of or sign. And whenever you are writing multiple response, then you have to separate that with the help of comma. Thank you. Thanks. Okay. So these are the different reactions which the user can give